that comes out, you heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Hello guys, welcome again, new live stream. So let's talk about Bitcoin. So as you can see here, well, a few days ago, actually last week, yeah, Bitcoin was around here. And I said, actually I'm looking for a bounce very soon, right? Very soon, here, exactly here. And my technical analysis, of course, in my live streams and also in my private channels, it was like this, right? Target around the yellow box, as you can see here. So after a few days. Why? Because, well, usually when you see this kind of move, right, not very strong in one day chart, of course, one day chart, usually they are bear traps. So that's why I said, you know what, I'm looking for longs around this area. And also I was in long position around $38,000, 700, 800 around there. And I closed my position around $42,000, 700, 800 around there. And that's it, I'm flat right now, but very, very nice trade, as you can see here. Let me show you here. Well, after a few days, as you can see here, my technical analysis was right. Very good, you're in profit. Well, now let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now, as expected here, Bitcoin is bouncing here, yes, but this move, there is a very good chance is gonna be, at least for, in my humble opinion, well, a bull trap in progress right now. Of course, it's too soon to say it because the time is still to the upside, as you can see here. One day chart fired here. Let me show you here. And as you can see here, if was around with this candle here around 41. Right now is around $43,500. My target was around 44, maximum 45, because this is resistance, as you can see here. This area is resistance. This area resistance, and also following like weekly chart, right? Higher time frames. This move is just a corrective move, something like this. Let me show you here where this is A, B, and C. Sorry, let me change the chart here. Yeah, okay, good. A, B, and C. So where this is, this wave is B, and C, yes, is gonna be very nasty, right? Around 30K, 25K, that is my target actually in the long term. In Q1, maybe April, around there, maybe potentially there, if we see this correction, okay? Technically speaking, right now, Bitcoin is, you are thinking, oh, go long right now? No, of course not. The long position was like almost 5 days ago, yeah? And now Bitcoin is testing the MA55. The MA55, as you can see here, testing resistance. No, thank you, no longs. Yeah. In my case, I just took profits. Very happy. Yeah. Good. Very, very good. You actually did the same thing, especially some members in my private channel. Very good. Very, very good. Very good execution. Yeah. Okay, so let's continue with the higher time frames. Well, one day chart, as you can see here, Bitcoin, no longs right now, no shorts, of course, no, because the one day chart is still in progress. The buy signal is still in progress. No longs, no shorts, just flat and just enjoy and watch Netflix. And that's it. Now let's talk about two-day chart. The two-day chart is very interesting here because it looks like if Bitcoin this week, right, all this week, can close above, actually I will say $43,000, $42,500. We could see a buy signal here into the chart, but the slope of actually curve is not very good. So we have to see Bitcoin all the week above $42,000 to maybe start thinking maybe we could see a buy signal into the chart. The same technical analysis is the same into the chart, something like this, bounce, and after that continuation to the downside. Okay, so right now for me, if you are following my seasonal trading, it's too soon to enter in short, honestly, at least for me, right? I don't have any signal right now or something to tell me, oh yeah, short right now 100x. No. Now let's talk about the weekly chart. Weekly chart, we have a new close. Remember, weekly chart will take 3 months, 3 or 4 months around there. But this signal here, this one, this candle here, this reaction is very, very important here, will sell signal. So in the long term, what you can expect is very simple, is just sideways here, sideways, yeah, downside. And now the most important thing, let me just one moment. Okay, sorry. Um, in weekly chart is sideways downside because we have a sell signal here, but the most important chart right now for me is actually a little bit concerning in bi-weekly chart, where we have what this candle actually is very, very powerful here, where we have a shooting star in the top of this move. So usually this is actually very, very powerful. Last time when I saw this candle here, it was in 2019 when Bitcoin was at 14K, and from there I spent around 6 months, right, 4 or 5 months, something like that, in sideways, and after that we saw the crash to $4,000 in the long term. So in the long term, right, we have a better variance forming here. So eventually, I think Bitcoin, yes, around maybe 44, that is going to be the target, around there, and after that, continuation to the downside. Okay. In my case, I will open maybe a short position after, maybe after, if I see a signal maybe on the chart, but not yet, not now. Okay, so let's continue. I'm gonna continue with 4-hour chart because, well, maybe in 4-hour chart there is something interesting. Well, first of all, here we have a better variance as you can see forming in curve, but volume is very, very healthy. So, well, I don't feel comfortable opening shorts right now here at this level because volume is very healthy. If you're in short right now here, very careful because actually you can get wrecked so easy, very, very easy. There is volume here, so no, I'm not short right now here. No, I'm not shorts. Maybe an extension to 44, 45, maybe around there. Maybe I will do it, but no, when I see the buy signal still present in 4-hour in 1-day chart, so no, thank you. Now let's talk about 12-hour chart. Let me show you here. The momentum is still the downside. Volume is very healthy here. It's still very good actually. In my case, I close my position around here, around this area, around $42,700 around there. I close my position, and that's it. It's fine, right? Perfect. I was in long around this area, and I closed my position around here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. From this point and this point, around 7% up. Very good, right? I cannot complain. Now, let's talk about other Bitcoin dominance, because I want to see, sorry, use the dominance because I want to see if there is something there like we have to watch. When the chart sells signal here, yeah, as I said, this is a downturn, right? It's testing here, rejection here, but honestly, I'm not expecting new lows. Actually, I'm expecting just sideways here, and eventually you will see another buy signal here where you will see a potential break in the long term. The reason is because very simple. Let me show you weekly chart. Weekly chart, we have a buy signal. We have actually the confirmation of a buy signal this week, as you can see here. Yes. So where the target is around 6.80, 6.87, and honestly, potentially a break, looking for maybe 8%, that is going to be where Bitcoin will be at maybe 30K, something like that. So remember, my target in the long term for Bitcoin is around 30K, 25K. Yeah, if everything is right with my technical analysis, well, we could see that target maybe around, maybe in 3 months, something like that. So let's continue. I'm going to continue with some altcoins, right? So let's talk about Ethereum. I want to see something, because last time when I saw Ethereum was actually like bullish. Actually, it was not bad, but we have okay. I think the bull market, right? This bounce we saw in this rally we saw in 2023 is over. I think we have officially this week closed Ethereum. As you can see, weekly chart is to the downside in the long term. 1,800, 900, that is going to be the area. I will start looking for maybe continuation, to the upside. And many altcoins, I'm pretty sure, for example, Solana, Link, all of them, they are doing exactly the same thing, you see. ADX negative, here's a signal here sideways, yes, around $10. $8 should be the target in the long term. Matic, well, very bad actually, sideways, looking for maybe 0.50 in the long term. I think mostly all the crypto is doing the same thing, but this time, in this live stream, I want to talk about Netflix. Netflix, remember what I said a long time ago? Netflix, in 2022, I said, this is going to be a lifetime opportunity. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful bounce. Wonderful. Of course, here, that is the area to sell, right? I remember when we saw this red candle here. people, oh my God, oh my God. Well, actually, it was a big buy opportunity. Let me show you here Meta, for example. Meta is one of them. I said long time ago also it was a very good buy when we saw the crash. Look at this. Remember, I know you're here, my friend, but I told you in 2022, right? Hey, this is a lifetime opportunity to buy. As you can see here, new high here. So from 89.90 now is, well, let me show you here. It's around almost 250%. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. I love when technical analysis is working like this, right? Because in my case, you have an idea, like my life is very peaceful. When I think about technical analysis, it's because I don't have to watch news, TV shows, or I need to follow someone because someone said this about Bitcoin, about the crypto, blah blah blah, about the ETF. Seriously, I don't give a. I seriously, I really don't care. Just I follow my seasonal trading, and my life is just peaceful because, well, that's it. It's based on probabilities. As you can see here, new high here, beautiful in weekly chart. Let me see monthly. Let me see Nvidia. Yeah. I mean, this is beautiful, beautiful. The sky is the limit right now here. I know some guys, they are still in holding Nvidia. I want 10% fee, right, for my technical analysis. Thank you. I'm kidding. It's a joke. As long as you are watching this live stream or this YouTube channel, you are supporting this. I mean, like my goal, right? Like sharing technical analysis with people. So as you can see here, this is to the upside. I mean, you see a pullback. The pullback is to buy more. Okay, to buy more. There is no. Various variance is forming, yes, but it is positive here. Volatility is contracted here. This thing is gonna keep pumping hard. Monthly here. There is no better variance. Beautiful. Let me see the bi-monthly, how it's looking. Well, in some point this year we will see a correction, but not now. It's gonna take months. Yeah. If I do magic, right? Because someone asked me, hey, what is the target for Nvidia? Let me show you here. Let me try to use Fibonacci extensions because that is the way bots usually they calculate these kind of crazy targets. For example, if we say around here, let me see. Well, this consolidation from the bottom to the top and the 1.618, it was actually this high, as you can see here. That's why we saw rejection. Now it's about there. So the sky is the limit. The sky is, I don't know, 2,000, maybe something like that. No, maybe 1,000, around 1,000. And after that, maybe a correction, maybe. But the trend is your friend. This thing is looking more bullish than Bitcoin right now. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Nvidia. Okay, so let's talk about now about currencies. I have some requests. Let's talk about gold. Gold. Where is gold? Gold monthly. Let me see. Is still to the upside. One day chart. Yeah, one day chart is to the upside sideways, right? Sideways, and to the upside. Okay, in one day chart. All this week, maybe next week. 4 hour chart. No, thank you. In 4 hour chart is in the resistance. No thanks. So you would have to buy here around 2,000 if you want to buy, right? Not there in 4 hour. It's not smart. Now let's talk about the weekly chart. Let me see. Sell signal ADX negative here. So in the long term, you see a bounce should be a sell. The target should be 1,500. Sorry, 1,950, 60 around there. It should be the target. Let me see. Looks like Bitcoin is moving. Let me see. Yeah, finally it's moving. We will see a correction in 1 hour chart to $42,600. I think, as I said before, it's not very smart looking for longs. If you're in short, okay, fair enough. But as I said before, I follow rules, and without rules, well, I don't have system of trading, right? Right? I mean, trading is about rules, following rules. That's why sometimes, actually, many times, trading is boring because you have to follow rules, and people want emotions, right? Yeah, they want a roller coaster, right? But in my case, it's just peaceful because I just follow rules. In my case, I think in my thing, in my case, I will take a long position in maybe next week for Bitcoin, maybe next week, because maybe next week, maybe this weekend. Yeah, maybe yes, because remember, I am a swing trader, so I prefer quality than quantity. That's it. So I mean, don't get me wrong, you can make money here, but you will have to keep watching the chart all time, because in any time you can just get wrecked. Okay, that's the point. Especially it depends on the time frame you are trading. You are trading 4 hour chart. Yes, the target should be around 40,100 around there, but because the volume is healthy, no, thank you. And because also when the chart we had the buy signal present, it's not very smart looking for shorts right now. In my case, right, if I have to trade this, because I saw it many times in the past, right, in different times. Let me remember one. For example, this one. You see, Bitcoin was testing the MI55 here, and after that was like a couple days, and after that with the sell signal here, continuation to the downside. I am not saying something like this could happen, but remember, this is a business, and market makers, they love to make money. How? Playing with my feelings, our feelings, right? So here they broke the MI55 here and said, oh, short 100x because Bitcoin is gonna break down, right? And after that, people saw a very red candle. Oh wow, to zero, right? And after that, wow, to the moon. And now again, people will buy here, looking for 50k, 60k, 70k, 100k, typical. And after that, what happened? They're gonna just break down everything. So that is usually, it's like watching the same movie all time. So that's why it's better if you have risk management. Risk management is the most important tool. They actually, yes, I can say right now, after almost technically 10 years, this year I'm gonna be, oh my god, I'm getting old. 10 years of trading. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. After 10 years of trading, I can tell you it's like watching the same movie all time. So that's why sometimes I feel like a little bit sad, because when I make profits, I am not happy. When I lose, I am not sad. It's like in this point in my life, when I am trading, I am making profits. I say, oh, nice. But that's it. After that, I just play Xbox or I do something else. It's very good for trading, but sometimes I miss the emotion, right? Like, oh my god, I would like to feel again. Oh my god, I am making 50%. Ooh, to the moon. No, I think one of my friends told me like, no, it's because finally you mastered your emotions about trading. Maybe that's why for me now it's boring right now. I mean, I love it. I love trading, but making profits or losing trades is not something like, oh my god, I'm very happy or I'm depressed because I lost. Nah, not anymore. Not like before. Okay, so let's continue. I have some news for all of you guys. I am working very hard to release the next version of all my indicators, because OBB, curve, all of them, I released my indicators around 2 years ago. Of course, I updated my indicators like last update was around maybe 6-7 months ago. But I got the feedback from you, and actually mostly all of you, you are very happy with my current system. And actually, thank you, because I spent months building this, because the scale is very bad with TradingView. So I will release another toolkit of indicators. But if you are happy with this one, totally fine. I mean, yes. My main goal as a trader, I want to combine all this indicator and plus this indicator just in one indicator. But actually it's very, very hard, because it's not that easy, right? So the thing is, like, I will release the new update. I improved some stuff, and also I'm gonna release another 2 indicators, like for volatility. Like actually they are very good, and also looking for bullish bearish divergence is very good. They are very good actually, but well, wait for it. I think it's gonna be ready everything the first week of February, and also the first week of February I'm gonna release my first trading course, totally free for all the supporters of this channel. Yeah, my course, I will not sell any courses. I will not say, oh, get this trading course and you will change your life and your freedom and blah 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 blah. No. It's optional. You can watch all my live streams and you will see how my system is working, or you can take a shortcut, or maybe you can support this channel. You can subscribe in my Patreon and you can get access to this trading course, and you can actually understand my system of trading faster, but it's totally optional. Okay, you don't have to do it. It's totally fine. I am doing that because I want to celebrate 1,000 subscribers after 2 years. Oh my god. Yeah, I know. Sounds depressing, right? 1,000 subscribers in 2 years. It's like my channel is very small and it's gonna be very small always. Yes, because I prefer quality than quantity, right? Why I want 100,000 subscribers is just people, they are asking me all the time, hey, should I buy this? Should I sell this? No. I prefer to have followers, subscribers, they actually want to learn about trading. That's something for me is very good. For example, now in my private channels, well, sometimes I feel like they know more than me. Very good actually. I'm very proud about many of you very good traders. So well, let's keep talking about Bitcoin. Okay, yeah, okay, so let's talk about something else. One concern I have here in the monthly, because well, we have a monthly close, right? Very soon, in the next 24 hours, we are gonna have a monthly close. I have very good news for you. This is not reaction. This is not reaction. Actually, this is not looking bad. As long as Bitcoin is closing above, to be safe, above 44. Yeah, minimum $42,000. If we see the close below 42, like maybe 41,100, this candle could close as reversal, and you will see, yes, in the long term, 26, 25, something like that. But right now, at least 24 hours before, like, look, Bitcoin is closing the candles actually quite decent. So where we are going to have a range between 39, 40K and maximum around 45 the next month. Why I know? Well, it's just experience. Price action, right? That's it. Price action. Now, my concern is like eventually, I don't know when, but we will see a sell signal in the monthly. And that's my concern, because if we see, for example, in the next 2 months, a sell signal here, that's going to be interesting. Yeah, very interesting, because with this sell signal here, Bitcoin very easily is going to test the MA55 and potentially break. But I don't want to talk about the depressive things. I want to talk for now. Right now, it's still to the upside, okay? But don't get me wrong. I think we already saw the top of this rally around 49. That's it. No more than that. I think just Bitcoin is gonna do something like we saw in 2019. Maybe you are too young to remember. Let me show you what Bitcoin did in 2019. Bitcoin did this. Let me show you here. We found the top. Remember this candle here. Yes, and after that was in sideways for, oh my god, like 4 months. Okay, yeah, that is something I am expecting right now for Bitcoin between 48, 47 to 40,000 in the next, 3-4 months. The best scenario, right? The best scenario. And something like this is my question. Because if we see the monthly close, the monthly we sell signal, this scenario could happen, yes. But anyway, let's see. Okay, little step by step. Step by step right now. As I said before, if I take a short position, is only following the rules of my system of trading. First rule is I want to see the solid line testing here, right? Maybe we'll see this in next month. And I want to see even better Bitcoin below $42,000 around here. Yes. And if we see the sell signal here, you will see continuation where finally the MI100 is going to break, and you will see around $37,000 first, and after that $30,000. So that is the only way I will short Bitcoin maybe next week, I think. Right now, no thank you, because we have buy signal here in 1-day chart, and also we have a buy signal in 12-hour chart, and also we have a better divergence here right now in 4-hour chart. Yes, fair enough, but volume is healthy. So this is telling me, at least following my system, is if we see a pullback to 42, potentially we could see continuation maybe to 44, 45, potentially, yeah. So we have to. The only thing I'm doing is just respecting my system of trading. That's it. I don't have a crystal ball. Just I'm telling you what I see and what I'm doing. In my case, I am just flat. Flat because I was long here and I closed here. Very happy. Very, very happy. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today because Bitcoin is not doing something special. Okay, thank you for watching. Yeah, and see you in the next live stream. Okay, have a good day.